Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel demonstrating the china we're listing currently for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website. And this absolutely gorgeous piece of Victoriana is about to be listed. What a gorgeous, look at that little bowl teacup with this Gothic arch handle, this hand colouring all around this, transfer printed and then hand decorated. We've got the blue fish scales, the gold, the reds, the greens, the black cobalts coming through. Little scalloping on this rim, indent rimmed, but and just look at the detailing into the centre of this gorgeous little teacup. Again, more fish scales, same pattern, and then in the base a hand painted little flower basket, and that's picked up on the absolutely beautiful little saucer bowl. Just look at this. Again, central well depression, quite a large well depression, doesn't fit the actual teacup at all in any shape or form. Never would have, wasn't intended to. This is quite an early piece and was coming along from the sort of Chinese design of tea bowls as opposed to teacups with tightly fitting saucer wells. Again, beautifully hand decorated. Just look at the detailing and colour palette used in this and the brightness of it. Again, very little wear on this. It's got a lovely antique pattern there with a little bit of burnishing around the rim where the gilt's just wearing a little bit. But again, for its age, look at the translucent nature of that porcelain. You see the pattern showing through from the underside when I put it in this light box. Not a single factory marking, no clues as to the manufacturer. Are we going to find out who made this? Well, we will do the research, but the chances of actually assigning a manufacturer or maker to this is pretty slim, to be honest. So we list it aesthetically as what it shows and what it is, which is a nice early to mid-Victorian, Gothic handled, pedestal footed bowl teacup, hand coloured, blue fish scale decoration, and in fine antique collector's condition. It is a one-off, a unique piece. With bits like this, you are very unlikely to find full sets ever. You're very unlikely to find a teapot or matching pieces. It has to be part of a teacup collection. A Harlequin set, if you like, sold really and collected on its pure beauty and rarity. Is it going to be incredibly expensive or valuable? Well, it's certainly not getting any more common or easy to find. But in today's market, you are paying less for this than you would for most regular common garden porcelain modern pieces. So for value, this really represents a great investment, both as something that you can afford to use and cherish, but afford to use regularly and really enjoy the opulence of having a good cup of tea out of a fine piece of English historic porcelain. Thanks for watching.